Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today I will show you how to delete your Zoom account. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification as soon as we post a new video. Moving on, to delete your Zoom account, start by opening a web browser. Now type zoom.us on the search box and enter. Sign in to your Zoom account by clicking on the sign in button. Enter your email address, your password, and click the sign in button. You'll end up to your profile. Soon after that, find account management from the options on the left hand side and click on it. Now click on the profile icon right below. This is the place where your basic informations are. It shows your account type, your role, and meeting capacities. Now click on Terminate My Account right below. Confirm that you want to delete your account by clicking on Yes. Now you'll be automatically get signed off from your account and your account has been terminated or deleted. That is all you need to do in order to delete your Zoom account. Hope you like the video. If you do, hit the like button and comment down below on the comment box if you have any comments or feedbacks. I'll see you again with another help video soon. Thank you for watching.